As you can see here, I have it plugged into the USB outlet right here. As you can see, the truck is right here. I just want to show you. So it was red when it started to charge. And you can see when it's fully charged, it's now green. And that's how you can tell it is charged. But record back in here. We're going to take it outside. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I have it outside. And to turn it on, like I told you, just that switch underneath there. You can see there. 1 second. There's a little switch right here. Turn that switch on. Powers it up. There you go, everything's straightened out. So when you first turn it on, the wheels will automatically straighten out. And to turn the remote on, all you have to do is hit one of these buttons up here. And that turns on the remote, as you can see. Automatically syncs, and that is good to go. So, we are good to go. We're going to test this around, drive it around, and see how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my video. If you want to see the unboxing, I'll leave a link down below. And also at the end of this video, it'll be over here. And purchase the truck, I'll leave a link over here as well. Great little toy. Awesome truck. It's really huge and lots of fun. The only problem is the tiny remote, like I complained about. Really tiny remote compared to the truck. You can see it's just ridiculous. But let's take it on its pace and see how it does. Let's go off-roading. So it's off-roading. Just taking it to the back here and crank it up. Struggle a little bit on the grass. It pretty good. It's on full power the whole time, so I'm cranking it all the way up, turning it left and right, and it's working great. I mean, for off-roading, this is definitely the way to go if you want a truck to play in the snow or the grass or the dirt. This is definitely that kind of truck. Even on, we're going to take it on straight pavement now and see how that works right there. Let's drive it over there now. It's got pretty good torque. Let's take it over here. Get good control. We'll just pop off this thing right here. You can see on ground, it's cool. It goes with a bunch of leaves over here. Let's see how it goes through the leaves. No problem. No problem on leaves. You can see it went right through those leaves, no problem. A little issues going, but not bad. And you can adjust the driving as well. You can adjust it left and right here. You can see that. So if it starts veering, you can actually adjust that, which is kind of cool. There you go. It's going straight now. I adjusted it. Turn it around. Turn it around and bring it back. Coming straight towards me. This thing is awesome. What a lot of fun this is. This is I definitely recommend this toy. Whoa. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying my content. I really appreciate that. Let's take it up here. Let's go up on the mountain here. Off-roading is awesome. Look at this thing. It is non-stop action. This is all off-road right here. I mean, it's doing a great job. This is not easy. I'm literally climbing mountains with this thing, guys. Literally. It's got good grips. You can see here the tires are just gripping. Just ripping right through that grass and dirt. Super easy. Look at that. Backwards. No problem. Plenty of power. I fully charged it. It took around 15 minutes, honestly. It did not take long at all to charge this at all, guys. So that's a good thing. Here, let's jump off and go. And back up the hill. Let's go up the hill. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Up the mountain. Let's see. Oh, couldn't climb up the boulder. There's a small rock here. Let's see if we can get up this rock. Nope. But thing has plenty of torque, guys. Fantastic. Really, really awesome. It works fantastic. I definitely highly recommend this. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This thing is cool. Definitely any boy or girl will absolutely love this toy. You can see here how it looks in the wild. It's just so cool looking, and it's really does a great job. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. And don't forget the unboxing. It'll be in the video as well. I'll put the unboxing over here, and I'll put the purchase of this car right over here. Appreciate it as always. Don't forget to follow me for more awesome videos.